Hey everybody, I haven't done it in forever, but I do have something to show today. It's more of an internal one, of course, given my line of work. But currently, the process for creating a new instance is if it's in US East 1 AWS, you can do it yourself. But if it's not, you put in an ops ticket to me and Kyle, and we will build it for you. That's going away. We're going to let you create your own across the board. So there's going to be a bit of a process change on how this is going to work. I can get into details on how it works behind the scenes if we need to, but the basics are you're going to go to a new admin.omniapp.co, and that will give you this screen. And you can type in whatever you want to create. I want to create new instance, whatever, and hit go, and it will give you. Come on, all right, come on, Demo. There you go. So it will give you a choice on where you want to host. So we can do AWS or Azure. And then once you pick one, you can pick the environment you want to create it in. From here, we'll create a DNS entry, and that will create this new 55 in production of the omniapp.co. And that will create the actual instance, route all traffic to the correct environment, and then you can create your own. For Azure, we only have the one, so it pre-selects for you. So just because it's on my local and this is the only thing that's going to work, I'm going to choose local, create DNS entry. It'll show you this created, click on the link, and that will take you in a new tab to the actual instance. And this should all look very familiar to what you're used to seeing in the past. So you log in, and it will automatically take you on my local's acting up. It'll take you to this screen, which is what you're used to seeing. You put in the Salesforce ID, create the org, and you go. A couple of caveats. Your instinct is going to be for US East 1 to go directly to the screen. If you do that, you will see this. Basically, it says you got to go through the full process. You can click, go to the admin setting, and then you can put in your entry just as before. Don't do that. This is not a good idea because you are now caching your DNS, and you will get this screen when you come back if you wanted to send it to a different environment. So basically, if you see this, you did it wrong. Don't do that. But it tells you how to fix it. You need to flush your DNS. Chrome is bad this way. There's something we can do about it. It's just the nature of things. So quick recap, go to admin.omniapp.co when we release this next week, and you will get the form, fill it all out, and then you'll go through the normal process from there. Simple enough.